In this video, I will show you how to replace an ink cartridge on your IQJET. As long as the ink level indicator is green, there is still enough ink in the printer. Do not replace the ink cartridge in this state. The printer also displays this as text next to the ink level. As soon as the fill level has dropped so low that the color of the fill level indicator changes to yellow, this text disappears. You can now replace the ink cartridge. As soon as the color changes to red, you should replace the ink cartridge as soon as possible. The printer will remind you with a warning message that the ink is almost empty. Within the warning, you can start the assistant to refill ink. Just tap on the button, Solve. The assistant appears. On the first page, the printer shows the required ink number. Be sure to observe and follow the safety signs for this assistant. As soon as you have prepared everything, tap on Next. Unlock the front door and open it. Unlock the ink cartridge slot and pull out the empty ink cartridge. Make sure that the new ink cartridge has the same ink number as shown on the cartridge slot. Make sure that the best before date has not expired. Tap on Next. If the printer instructs you to do so, shake the cartridge well. The printer will display how long you need to shake the cartridge. Tap on Next. Remove the protection label. Insert the new ink cartridge into the cartridge slot. Wait until the printer has checked the ink. If everything is okay, the printer shows the detected ink number and the best before date. Tap on Next. Unlock the cartridge slot. When swiveling the cartridge in, you will feel increased resistance as soon as the cartridge is pushed in. Swivel the cartridge fully into the printer in a single movement until the lock engages. Check the markings to ensure that the cartridge is swiveled in correctly. The cartridge is now open and empties into the reservoir tank in the printer. Do not take the cartridge out of the printer in this state. Close the front door and lock it. Tap on Next. The printer shows the progress of the filling process. That's it, the routine is finished. The cartridge is mostly empty. The rest of the ink is still running into the reservoir tank. Tap on End to finish the assistant.